Hello everyone. Next we are going to take a clip, applying it to our hair, then taking 2 layers from each side and joining it to the clip. Next we are going to make a side braid from both the sides, and then to the remaining hair we are making this beautiful butterfly bow. Next we are going to take 2 layers from each side, joining them together with the help of a rubber band. At last we are going to make a bun and joining this beautiful blue clip for securing it. Next we are going to take our hair, joining it together after making a braid into this beautiful bun. Next we are going to take 2 layers from each side, joining it together as shown, and then we are going to loosen it and applying this beautiful butterfly clutchers. Next we are going to take 2 layers from each side, joining it with rubber band. Then to the rest of the hair we are making a braid and then joining them opposite to each other. Next we are going to take 2 layers from each side, joining them with the rubber band, and to the remaining untied hair we are going to make a ponytail and folding it together into this beautiful bun. At last we are going to make a braid from our hair and then folding it into this simple bun. Next we are going to take our hair, fold it into this beautiful simple bun and then securing it with a bobby pin.